Guys, welcome back to our channel Rajesh Creations, and me Simhadri Varma is here to explain how to sell products on Facebook Marketplace through apps like Meesho, Glowroad, Shop 101 and many more. Today we are going to deal with this, and before going to the topic, please subscribe to our channel and watch the video till last, and if you have any doubts please comment in the comment section. Okay, let's get into the video. How to sell through Facebook Marketplace. Here you can see everybody has a Facebook account, right? Here you can see Facebook account here. Okay, you can here third option will be Facebook Marketplace. Here see many products will be sold right here. Okay, you are seeing that many here. You can see even guitars, musical instrument, t-shirts, shirts, watches, camera, Apple with Bluetooth. Here you can see many places, right? How you gonna sell it? How you gonna paste products in it, and how to earn money through Facebook Marketplace? Today is our topic is this. Okay, let's get into the topic again. Okay, just in first I am saying to how to earn through Meesho. Okay, open Meesho app. If you are not downloading Meesho app, I will provide a link in my description. Just click on the link and install the app. You will see an interface like this. Okay, here you can count down, and you can also select categories. Like here second option, categories. Here sarees, kurtis, suits and dress material, kurta sets, western wear. Here more, right? Here my suggestion is to hoodies and sweatshirts are more in buying options, right? So you can select for here men, and you can set for, or you can search for hoodies for boys. See here you can see many more, options. Just all you have to do is just click on this, just click on here. You can see down, add to cart, wish listed, share, right? Here share. Here you can see options like WhatsApp, Facebook wall, Facebook page, Facebook Messenger, Facebook group, and here Facebook Marketplace, right? First you have to do is just copy the description here. It's saying that product description copied, and again click on share option, click on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, here it's saying that it's showing that video. We don't not, I'll say what to do in this. Okay, here just click download images. Okay, the images has been downloaded. For every sharing you will get a points rewarded, and Meesho app is providing all these facilities, right? Okay, now just go to Facebook app, here you can see that coming to again here home page will be like this. Come again to marketplace. Okay, here option C, like here sell option up, sell or categories, click on sell. Okay, here asking that items, vehicles, homes or fail. You can sell everything here in Facebook Marketplace. You can sell everything, right? Okay, here click on items, like it's asking like add photos. Already we have downloaded images, right? Here just download images. Next click on next. Okay, give a title to this. What is this called? Sweatshirts and hoodies, right? Here description. Okay, coming to second price. Here how much price it's giving. Meesho is offering its price for about 450 rupees, and you can paste your if you want to, like if you want earn more profit, then price here 600. Already its category and condition is already came through Facebook. Okay, here coming to description. Here already we have copied our description, right? Just paste the description here, paste. Okay, it's already paste. Then here click here, what are all completed, title, price, category, condition, all are completed. Just click on here upper publish. Now it's publishing, and your product is an active. Already I have posted many, like here sweatshirts and hoodies. See here sweatshirts and hoodies. Next my listings, I have posted many listings like hoodies, sweatshirts and denim jeans and jackets, sweatshirts, kurta sets, sweatshirts, jacket, all have hoodies, necklaces, chokers, all have been placed. Okay, this through Meesho app. And again coming to the Glowroad, this is also an income monthly earning app, and I'll also paste description of this app also in down in my description. Just click on that link and install the app. And coming to this Glowroad, okay, you can see many popular brands, like not only I have sweatshirts and hoodies. You, if you like Bluetooth Bluetooth headsets, search for Bluetooth headphones. Here you can see many options right here out. Okay, select an option. Here I2SW AirPods with the touch sensor. Here click on that description. Okay, here you can see that here copy description, right? Copy description. Okay, download images. Image will be downloaded in our mobile. Okay, just same process as Meesho. Just go to Facebook Marketplace, sell items, add photos. You can see you can add many photos like this. Okay, how many photos you want? Just photos, paste it and give a title like Bluetooth headphones. Okay, price, how much it's offering. Glowroad is offering for us 371 rupees. Just paste it for 500 rupees, and all 371 500 rupees. Okay, 500 rupees means you are, if one product was bought with a person, you'll get 130 rupees. Okay, Facebook Marketplace, many members will be seeing that Facebook Marketplace you can get more products, more orders, right? Okay, here place description. Already we have copied the description. Just click on paste. Okay, it's published, already pasted. So click on just again publish. And how to earn money, I said no. Just what you have to do is you can see here Glowroad app, right? If someone ordered you a Bluetooth AirPod headset with touch sensor, 371 rupees, and you said that it is 500 rupees. So just click on buy now option. Okay, buy now, click on buy now. Okay, pay with cash on delivery. Choose from online payment is above, right? Okay, if you pay with Google Pay, right? Okay, pay with Google Pay. Click on proceed. Here it's asking that enter customer price, right? Click on customer price and paste it for 500 rupees. Okay, its product, it's showing 110 rupees margin. If you want to sell it for 600 rupees, it's showing that 210 margin. Okay, all this will be included in your margin, and this is a earning you can get through Facebook Marketplace and these apps. Not only this, Glowroad already, and also Meesho also providing the same, and not Meesho, Glowroad, and also Shop 101 is showing the same options like this. Okay, all you have to know is just click on the product. Okay, click on share, download photos. Meesho download will be okay. You can see here sizes same in Meesho. If you want to buy, if someone ordered you this white Adidas t-shirt, sweatshirt, hoodie, okay, just click on the L option, add to cart, continue. Okay, click on the address, something this address. Okay, deliver to this address, cash on delivery, select yes. It's asking that reselling the order, click on yes. Okay, 573 you have to sell for it. If you want to sell for it 800, the margin you see here 227 rupees. Okay, click on continue. Okay, here it's showing that. Okay, then place order has been placed. And if someone sells from your Facebook Marketplace, how they ask, like in Facebook Marketplace, how you'll get products to be buy, right? That's a doubt you have. I'm showing it. See here my messages. I'm showing, wait, here in my messages. See here marketplace, these many products I have been got. See here, they'll ask like, hi, is this available? Okay, they'll always they will ask for, hi, is this available? Hi, is this still available? Okay, then here, is this available? You can accept your offer and say that, ask them for address and mobile number, everything, and paste products in Meesho and Glowroad. Then you will earn money through this app. Simple, very simple process. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video. If you want any doubts, just I said no, and subscribe to our channel. It's starting up channel. Please subscribe to our channel, and I need your huge confidence, and I'll do as much as possible videos. Thank you for loving. Thank you all. Love you all. Bye. Take care.